Drapery can add a touch of elegance and softness to any room. While still maintaining a decorative look, it also increases light control and privacy. Now, measuring for drapery can sound overwhelming, but guess what? It's actually pretty easy. Let me show you. Measuring for your custom drapes is easy. Make sure you have a steel tape measure, notepad, and a pen, and you're ready to get started. Determine the overall area you would like to cover, and then measure from left to right. Whenever possible, we recommend extending your drapes from the outer edge of your windows or doors by 6 to 12 inches to each side. This helps make the area look larger and also exposes more of the window when the drapery is open. Once you take your measurement, be sure to write it down. This is your selected width coverage. Next, measure the height of the area you wish to cover. We suggest installing the drapery rod 6 inches above the windows or door. As another option, you can measure as high as you are comfortable with for a dramatic look. This can help enhance the height of your ceiling. After you decide where to mount the drapery rod, be sure to measure from the top of the rod to the floor. This will be your selected height coverage. We recommend ordering drapery a half of an inch off of the floor. We will automatically make these deductions for you. For ceiling mount drapery, simply measure from ceiling to floor. From there, your rod will be mounted onto the ceiling and the length of the drapes will be extended. Proper deductions or add-ons will be made depending on your drapery style. But don't worry, your design consultant will be more than happy to review this with you and any other questions you may have.